Santa Bata de Kone Yesu.
Leila Tosi Pase Sukame Lambi Ai Pui Simpa Lukham Lai Pada Epi Mikim Nei Pase Sukame Oze Sukai Beni Ekam Ising Jesu Kanei ehung bising Jesu Kanei ahipoi lai po nei se tin asupoi lo Jesu Kanei ahipoi lai po nei se
Itila Jesu Kanei hi ka teaching bolna college B.th final year to M.th farewell program ka sahin hinge ehola mon heong hepon heong he lo dio hin jong le this song has been in my heart for a very long time. I really wanted to sing this song. Ama ho dinga I had a message for them. It's a message to beham dile Kumseh le Bible college student hi India, Nepal and everywhere around the world. Graduation ki tsang ahin B.th, MDH, P.hd. Ale knowledge hi tam ta ki nei zia hin academic knowledge sang tam ta ki nei zia hin hinla apoi mo pen chui beham dile ichi ho head knowledge academic book knowledge ho sangin apoi mo chule Jesu Christa ne hinamna. Are we graduating with Christ or not? Are we graduating with Christ or not? That was so important. As it's a Bible college student ho, Bible sim student ho, Jesu nahi lawa graduate ho. It's the most saddest thing ever. It's the most saddest thing ever. Aleng student ho ko masang hichi keila kitile ehola kay mother tongue la ahin nohon adang imacha na het lo zong leo hichi Jesu Kanei kitia. Whenever I sing Nepali Pawa mosanga Yeshu nuncha I have Christ hichi ju kasating din hon I have Christ hinge ken Christa Kanei tia. May it be an encouragement to you. Hinge Christa Kanei hinge Christa to Bible college ka graduate khom dia he tia. May this song here na ho dinga til ho na khali hen. May you remember Christ. Books ho sangin song Christa to ka graduate khom dia he tia. May this be an encouragement to you kitia ma ho ko ma ka sele ti nung se na zalin la ka sataya. Also ehola hi Thadou la hi ka sa zipon Nepali la hong yan ki sahin patinin kitiem lo ahin na izong le patinin ay pan piin kin jong ta na tutwa ka sahin ale tipong ho after the song ko ko mahunguwa miss ipiti ham nasata in etil ko we la na sa chu na ho pawa na sa hi vangin ipiti ham imazo se we could understand Tiana, like one person said that she could understand even though it was in my language, our language hi vangin izaka ipiti ham la chu I hate the you Tiana. So I felt so blessed. Some of them were even in tears. Khan hamni jo mitli long chu inna ma ho pawa ka sa lo vangin. So yeah, but in Tilazong, just this one song also, how God used to encourage people. So yeah, I just wanted to share this blessing with you.